Today I want to share how to cook crispy Taiwanese style salt and pepper chicken without deep frying. First of all, let's prepare the chicken. Trim off the fat part of the chicken and discard the fat part. And cut the chicken into bite-sized chunks. You can use chicken legs or chicken breast. Transfer the chicken into a big bowl. Next, you need to chop 3 garlics. To peel the garlic really quick, chop off the tough end and smash it with your knife. And the garlic skin just come off really easy. And here I use a garlic press to further speed up the process. And then grate about 2 teaspoons ginger. Then you add the rest ingredients, about 1 tablespoon oil, 2 teaspoons brown sugar, and ½ teaspoon salt. And then you mix them really well. And marinate chicken in room temperature for 30 minutes or in the fridge for up to overnight. To make the spice mix, add 2 teaspoons white pepper powder, 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon 5 spice powder. And mix them very well. When you're ready to cook, beat 1 egg. Add the beaten egg to the chicken that you marinated. Mix the chicken well with the egg. And then you add the cornstarch, 1/4 cup at a time. So eventually it will form a batter that is not too runny, and there will be some dry flour left, and that's totally fine. Now we're ready to cook. So just add enough oil to coat the bottom of your skillet. Then you add the chicken. You might need to cook the chicken in 2 batches. And cook until the bottom turns golden brown. And then flip the chicken, use a pair of chopsticks or a pair of tongs. And cook until the other side turns golden brown. And then you're all set. Transfer the chicken onto a cooling rack to cool. Now your pan should have some oil left. Then you add the basil leaves and cook just a couple seconds, and then flip them and cook until they turn crispy. And then you move them into a tray to let it cool off a little bit. Add your spice mix into the chicken. You should only add half of the spice mix. And taste the chicken. If it's not spicy enough, you can add more spice mix. And then you add the basil and mix them again. And here it is. Taiwanese style salt and pepper chicken. Really crispy and juicy. I hope you enjoy. This is Maggie from Omnivore's Cookbook. Thank you for watching my video. You can click on the link showing you here to print out the recipe. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about Chinese cooking, subscribe Omnivore's Cookbook on YouTube. Thank you and see you next time.